Hello and welcome back to the ezeep API with Postman video series. In this video, we'll be learning how to retrieve the authorization code, which we'll need to get the access token. So let's go over to the ezeep API documentation. And what do we need to do to get this authorization token? So we need to redirect the user to this authorization page using this URL. And when we say the user, we mean us in this case. And in this URL, we have the endpoint and we have a few parameters. We have the response type, which is code, because we're going to get the authorization code. We have the client ID, which you should have got it from us when you registered for developer access, and you should have also registered a redirect UI as well. If you don't have this information, then you just need to get in touch with us at service@ezeep.com. I would also recommend you check out the video how to set up ezeep Blue as well. This will help you get registered as a developer and also get your ezeep Blue account set up and ready to print. So I'm assuming you already have that done, and let's get this authorization token. So what I would recommend you do is you copy this URL and open up a text editor, because we're going to have to replace the placeholders, this client ID. Okay, so I'm just going to put my client ID in here. And the redirect UI will be, in my case, because I'm not actually creating software at the moment, I'm just testing the API, I'm just going to use my local host. Bear in mind, you will have to type it exact. So you're going to have to put in the HTTP or the HTTPS plus these forward slashes as well. Otherwise, you'll get a redirect UI not authorized response. Okay, so that's all we need in this case. We just need to copy this and we pop it in our search bar. We should be then asked to log into ezeep Blue. And once we've logged in, we will be redirected to our redirect UI. So I should be sent to localhost 3000 here. There's no server running on my local host, so this will just be a blank page, but then I'll also have the authorization token in the URL as a parameter as well. Perfect, here's our authorization code. And we can just keep doing that over and over again if we need a new one. I'll just give you an example. Okay, so we just need an authorization code because this is expired. The rule of this authorization code is it doesn't have a time limit for when it's valid, but once it's been used, it's no longer valid, so you can just throw it away. So this is why I recommend saving this URL somewhere so you can quickly just get a new one whenever you want. And now because we're already logged in, I don't have to log in again. I just automatically get this code here, so I can just do that again, and it just really speeds up the process. Okay, so now I found a way to get an authorization code whenever I need. We can, in the next video, start working on our get access token. So see you there.